happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, long life, and many, many more birthdays to come. Nanay na very cool, understanding, parang teenager. Yan ang nanay ng lahat ng great away. Thank you, nanay, sa asikaso sa amin pag nandyan kami, lalo na pag ako'y natutulog dyan, nasa room mo ako natutulog. Thank you. God bless us all.
Hi Ate Carmen, happy birthday. Sana umabot pa ako ng age mo na maganda, malakas at ang haba ng hair. Lagi mong iingatan ng sarili mo. Wishing you good health and long life.
Oh, hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Do never think that I forget Papa and you. Always remember they always be in my heart. More health and more life.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Huwag ka magtampo sa akin na hindi ako tumatawag sa'yo dahil alam mo naman, ayaw kong umiyak. At kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, panatak ang loob ko, andyan yung ate ko, andyan yung anak mo si ate. Alam ko hindi ka pababayaan. Lalo yung mga apo mo, si Boy, si Tony, si Maymay, si Mimi, si Bernard, sa mga apo mo sa tuhod. Pasensya ka na. Hindi ako nalimus tungkol sa'yo. Dahil ayaw ko mag-alala sa'yo. At ayaw ko rin mag-alala sa akin. Okay lang ako. Parang ang karaos. May tulong din ng ate ko. Ay, alagaan mo sarili mo. At alam ko hindi ka pabayaan nila. Kasi yan. Pakiusap ko, alalayan nyo. At happy birthday. Sana makatambuhin mo. Hindi ka pabayaan. Mas malubot si Papa. Tama si ate. Hindi ka pabayaan. Mga po mo. Ang masutulog. Lalo kay Rilbo, hindi ka pabayaan Rilbo. I miss you, Nay. I miss you, ate. Napabili. God bless always. Huwag makalimutan sa Diyos. Love you. Nay, happy birthday. Binabati ka ng buong pamilya ko. Salamat. Salamat. Thank you.
And I wish you good health and long life. At maraming salamat po na nagkakilala tayo at nakilala ko rin yung family mo. Sila si Ate Geraldine at Kuya Bernard. And I wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Thank you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Nanay! O, diba na-surprise ka? Well, anyway, wishing you all the best in life still. And of course, number one is good health. May you live more than 100 years.
Happy birthday, Inay. You deserve all the words, happiness, and success. Salamat sa lahat sa ginawa mo para sa akin.
Ay, happy 29th birthday. Wishing you a good health and God bless you always.
Happy birthday to my beautiful grandmother in the world. You are magnificent. Enjoy your special day. I love you. And happy birthday, Inay.
Happy 89th birthday, Inay. May your days overflow with health, joy, and love. And we wish you to have a long life.
Hello, my Carmelita. I wish to greet you happy birthday. And may this day bless you with a lot of happiness and love. And may you have many, many more birthdays to celebrate.
Hello, Nai. Just want to wish you happy 79th birthday from the Fleming family, and I wish you live many, many more.
Happy birthday, Nanay. May God continue to bless you with strength and joy and overflowing grace. Salamat na naging inspiration ka sa amin. Sa imong pagmamahal, Nanay. Salamat. I wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I pray that this year will bring you peace, good health, and the desire of your heart. You're always truly a blessing, Nanay, and I'm grateful for you always. God bless you.
Happy 79th birthday, Inay. We love you. May your birthday be filled with joy and love. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nay. Love you. I miss you. Nay, happy birthday.
Hi, Mary Carmen, how are you? Happy birthday to you. May God bless you more graces, blessings, and good health always. Hinaut unta magkita-kita someday. Hirayo ka man, adi ako California, ikaw atong ka Canada. Kung magara nila kita, mag-iinom good kita, Madi Carmen. Mag-storytelling kita ng mga patarawan. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. I hope you enjoy your birthday and someday we will meet dito hadagami. Katapos San Udaula. You just keep in touch. Damo taton istoryahon and maghunahon na lang kita nga always happiness, happy kita para kita the same lagi hapon mga beautiful beautiful in and out. Tapos may God tagang kagyapon hinda mo nga grasya nga yan na thank you nga mga anak mo successful nga tanan. Tapos ang importantehi maupay ang lawas nga tanan hitaton mga anak pati ikaw. And someday magpagkita kita dagami kung saan o ka umuli. Ako maybe mga June or July. Hopefully bangin ako umuli. Kung magkalugar ka, magkikita kita dito. Okay. Asyala ini nga akon message sa imo. May God bless you always.
Happy 79th birthday to our dearest Lola. First of all po, we want to say thank you po sa paggabay po, sa paggabay niyo po sa amin simula pagkabata po namin at saka po sa walang sawang pagbibigay po ng pangaral sa amin na aming daladala po sa araw-araw. At saka sana po bigyan po kayo ng Panginoon Diyos ng malakas na pangangatawan, maging masaya po kayo, hindi lang po ngayon sa kaarawan nyo, hindi sa araw-araw po. We miss you po, sana po sa pagdalaw nyo po dito or if ever man po na maging successful po ako, dadalawin ko po kayo dyan tonight. Kay mama po, thank you po kay mama dahil sa pagsuporta niya po sa pag-aaral ko po, sa pag-aaral din po namin. Kay Mama Gladys po na simula pagkabata po namin na tinutulungan na po kami sa tuwing may problema po kami sa financially, tinutulungan niyo po kami. Maraming salamat po. Day be surrounded by the warmth of family and the sweetest of cherished memories.
Birthday, Inay. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Thank you and we love you.
Hi, I'm so sorry I won't be able to make it on your special day, but always remember that you are always in my heart, and I would like to thank you for all those times that you always never forget to feed me whenever I'm in your house. You never let me go home without a full stomach. And not only that, you are my second mom. You are my mom's best friend. And I really wish you all the luck and happiness in life. And I hope you enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Ay Inay, happy 79th birthday po sa inyo. Sa loob ng halos 8 dekada po ninyong pamumuhay, pinakita niyo po sa amin ang tunay na kahulugan ng lakas, pagmamahal at pagtitiyaga. Maraming salamat rin po sa walang sawang gabay at ang pagbibigay po sa amin ng inspirasyon, lalo-lalo na sa inyong apo na sa akin and sa aking mga magulang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Naway maging masaya, payapa at puno ng biyaya ang inyong kaarawan. Sana'y patuloy pa po kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon. Bigyan po kayo ng marami pa pong lakas upang labanan ang mga sakit ng inyong nararamdaman ngayon. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan na mahal ko po kayo. Miss na miss ko na rin po kayo at sana po makita ko na po rin po kayo at umuwi na rin po kayo dito sa Pinas. I love you po, Inay. Happy 79th birthday po ulit. Enjoy po.
God bless you, Nanay. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Love you. See you soon.
I love you from Bunso. I love you so much.
I love you and God bless. Mwah.
I love you from the bottom of my life. Happy birthday. I love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. I love you.
I love you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Nay.
Love you.
I love you. Love, love, love. Malihuling. Bye-bye.
Love you po, Inay.
Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nay.